Hey, a Gold IRA rollover takes about 2 weeks, and your money never touches your hands. Here's what that means. This account holds physical gold rather than stocks or mutual funds. If you're within 10 years of retirement, this process affects you directly. Your funds move straight from your old account to an IRS-approved custodian, and the metal goes to a secure vault. Here's the process, start to finish. A Gold IRA holds physical gold instead of stocks or bonds. It has the same tax rules as a regular IRA, so nothing changes on the tax side. You're simply swapping paper assets for something real that you can hold in your hand. Many near retirement move savings out of the stock market and into a physical asset. That asset does not depend on paper promises or market swings. Think of it as a different box for the same retirement money with something solid inside. So here's what that actually means for you. This is how your money gets into gold. The cleanest path is a direct transfer. Your money moves straight from your old custodian to the new one without ever touching your hands. There's no 60-day deadline, no tax withholding, and no penalty risk if it's done correctly. Do not use the indirect rollover. That path sends the money to you first, triggering a 60-day deadline plus potential withholding. So you open a Gold IRA with an IRS-approved custodian who handles the transfer request. Your old account sends the funds by wire or checkmate out to the new custodian, which takes a few days to 2 weeks. Once the money arrives, you pick the metals you want, the custodian buys them, and they ship directly to an IRS-approved depository. That vault stores your gold safely until you decide to sell or take a distribution. The whole process wraps up in 7 to 14 business days. Once your money is there, the IRS has clear rules on what you can hold. The IRS says gold needs to be 99.5% pure, with one exception. The American Gold Eagle is allowed at 91.67% pure, so don't let that confuse you. Other approved choices include the American Gold Buffalo, the Canadian Gold Maple Leaf, and the Austrian Gold Philharmonic. Approved gold bars from accredited refiners also qualify if they meet the required standard. Collectible coins, jewelry, and rare coins are all prohibited. Stick to the approved list and you'll stay on the right side of the rules. Silver, platinum, and palladium are also allowed if they clear the purity standards. Your custodian checks any metal before you buy it. Here's where to go from here. The rules are clear and the process is simple. The sooner you understand your options and act on them, the better protected your retirement savings will be. Talk to a specialist today and get your questions answered before anything changes. I put together a free Gold IRA Zero Fees guide that breaks down what fees to watch for and how to avoid common traps. You'll find the link in the description. Use it to protect what you've built. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more updates, and leave a comment if you have any questions.